This year's tech unveils are redefining what's possible, blending creativity and innovation to transform the way we live, work, and play. Get ready to explore gadgets that feel like they've stepped straight out of the future. Phone dead and you're in a rush? Seems like there couldn't be a better solution. Just slide your phone into the Swip It hub, wait 2 seconds, and you're good to go for the rest of the day. No waiting around, just grab it and get back to your life. Here's how it works. The Swip It case on your phone holds a battery that powers your device. When it runs low, you slide your phone into the hub, which instantly swaps the drained battery for a fresh, fully charged one. The hub holds 5 spare batteries that are always charging, so you'll never be caught without power. Sounds convenient, right? But let's be real, it's basically a high-end power bank system with a fancy swapping feature. The hub's always charged and ready, but at $245 for the hub and another $84 for the case, it's definitely on the pricey side for what it offers. And don't forget, the case adds some bulk to your phone, so squeezing it into smaller pockets might not be so easy anymore. The SwitchBot K20 Plus Pro redefines multitasking at home. Let's take a look at some examples of what it can do. It detaches from its base and starts tidying up, picking up items from the floor effortlessly. Next, it delivers water to someone working at their desk, showcasing its handy delivery skills. Need to cool down? Its fan module moves air exactly where you want it. Equipped with a camera, it monitors your home, spots open doors, and sends alerts to your phone for added security. For entertainment, it transforms into a streaming station with an extendable arm to hold a screen or tablet for hands-free viewing. It improves air quality by moving air purifiers around and refilling humidifiers when needed, ensuring comfort in every room. It even opens and closes curtains and locks or unlocks doors, making your home smarter and more secure. If only it could climb stairs and handle multiple floors, then it would truly be priceless. Eufy's joining the game with innovative solutions for home cleaning. The E20 starts as a RoboVac, tackling your floors with ease, but transforms into a handheld vacuum for those hard-to-reach spots. Just attach the handle, attach one of the included nozzles, short for quick touch-ups or long for deeper cleaning, and take care of dirt the robot can't reach. When you're done, dock the handheld unit back into the robot, and both its dustbin and the handheld unit are automatically emptied at the station. Roborock's also impressed with its new groundbreaking feature on the Saros Z70. This robot comes equipped with a robotic arm that extends to pick up items scattered on the floor and put them back in place. While most robot vacuums rely on obstacle avoidance to navigate around objects, the Saros Z70 goes further by actually clearing the path and ensuring the area is cleaned, not just bypassed. It can also climb thresholds up to 4 centimeters high, making it perfect for transitioning between rooms. And with an industry-leading suction power of 22,000 PA, it handles even the toughest messes with ease. The Dream X50 Ultra brings its own set of features to the table. While it doesn't include a robotic arm, it can also climb small steps and thresholds, which makes navigating uneven floors easier. Its 20,000 PA suction power is suitable for tackling tougher messes. Additionally, the vacuum's equipped with an adaptive LiDAR navigation module that can lower itself when needed, allowing it to clean under low furniture, like sofas. Samsung continues to experiment with display technology, unveiling some fascinating concepts. One example is the stretchable display, which can extend by up to 25%. A demonstration showed it lying flat and then rising up to create a detailed 3D effect, such as a volcano seemingly erupting right off the screen. Another scenario involved an underwater scene where a shark appeared to leap toward the viewer. While visually stunning, it's still unclear how such displays will be used beyond showcasing dramatic visuals. Samsung also introduced the slidable Flex Duet, which stretches from 8.1 to 12.4 inches. Its format suggests it could work as a compact gaming console or another portable device. Meanwhile, Lenovo's ThinkBook Plus Gen 6, set to launch in June 2025, takes a bold step forward in sliding display technology. With the press of a button, the screen expands from 14 inches to 16.7 inches, increasing the display area by nearly 50%. Lenovo's marketing this feature as a game changer for professionals, promoting it as ideal for tasks like document review, coding, project management, and content creation. The laptop also comes packed with advanced AI-powered features designed to enhance productivity and user experience. However, with a starting price of $3,500, it might be a deal-breaker for many. At CES, Halliday smart glasses caught attention with their sleek design and innovative features. The secret lies in a tiny 3.6mm optical module embedded in the frame, offering a discrete display equivalent to a 3.5-inch screen. Positioned just above the right lens, the display doesn't obstruct your view and provides a variety of useful functions. You can access real-time AI translations in over 40 languages, perfect for travel or international meetings. There's a teleprompter mode, ideal for public speaking or presentations, along with notifications, notes, and even turn-by-turn navigation to keep you on track. The glasses also come with built-in speakers and a microphone, a 12-hour battery life, and adjustable settings to match your eye prescription, ensuring a comfortable and personalized experience. Starting at $489, they aren't the cheapest option, but still cost less than competitors like Even Reality's Even G1, which offer similar features but start at $600. Arzen's new Zip projector includes a fresh take on Pico projectors with its trifold design, which eliminates the need for a separate tripod. The device unfolds into a Z shape, serving as its own stand and making it more versatile for different setups, whether you're using it at home or outdoors. The top section includes an HD projection module, while the midsection features built-in stereo speakers. The base serves as both a stand and a housing for the battery, which offers up to 1.5 hours of runtime per charge. The projector also includes features like autofocus, auto keystone correction, and vertical display support, which allows for better viewing of TikToks and Reels without black bars. Wireless screen mirroring works with iOS, Android, and other devices, simplifying content sharing. The Arzen Zip's currently available for early backers on Kickstarter, starting at $249. If you're tired of mowing your lawn but haven't switched to a robot mower because they feel like more hassle than help, the Limo 1 might just change your mind. Unlike most robot mowers, which often require complex boundary wires and are better suited for small yards, the Limo 1 is wire-free and designed for large, uneven lawns. Setup simple, no digging or professional installation needed. What makes it stand out is its ability to handle tougher jobs. It doesn't just trim grass, it mulches leaves, pine cones, and other debris, meaning less cleanup for you. Its advanced navigation technology creates a precise map of your yard and expertly avoids obstacles, so you don't have to worry about babysitting it while it works. Plus, it's built to perform in both wet and dry conditions, making it reliable no matter the weather. Stern Pinball has brought the magic of Dungeons & Dragons to arcades with their newest table, the Tyrant's Eye. Imagine a pinball game where you pick a character like a wizard or warrior and level them up as you play. The game takes you into a fantasy world where you complete quests, battle dragons, and stop an evil queen from rising. And to make it feel like a real D&D adventure, there's even a narrator guiding the action. The table itself is packed with cool features: a cube that traps your ball for multi-ball action, a shop to buy power-ups, and a dragon boss that you can attack or shield yourself from during play. What's even better, you can save your progress so every game builds on the last. Weekly updates add new quests and items, keeping things fresh for regular players. Prices start at $6,999 for the basic version, but the premium and limited editions with more features and effects go up to $12,999. Razer's Project Ariel is a concept gaming chair with built-in heating and cooling features. Using the Fusion Pro chair as its base, it integrates a bladeless fan and a heater into its mesh back, creating a personal climate control system. The fan pulls air from the base and channels it over your neck for a refreshing breeze, while the heater provides even warmth up to 86 degrees Fahrenheit without making your back sweaty. If you've ever dreamed of growing your own fresh veggies and herbs at home without the hassle, the Plantiform Smart Indoor Garden might be just the thing for you. Unveiled at CES 2025, this Canadian-made indoor garden uses fogponics, a system that delivers nutrients to plant roots via fog, helping them grow faster and healthier. Think of it as a mini greenhouse that does most of the work for you. The sleek design can grow 15 plants at a time and comes with self-watering and self-cleaning features, so you barely have to lift a finger. Add in some colored lights and removable windows, and you've got a futuristic garden that doubles as home decor. It even pairs with the Plantiform app, letting you monitor your plants and water levels from your phone. At $500, it's not cheap, but it does come with everything you need to get started, including a lettuce mix and Plantiform nutrients. And if you want to expand your indoor farm, there are extra seed mixes like cherry tomatoes or a cocktail mix with herbs like lemon, basil, and thyme for $30 each. If the plantiform is a high-tech solution for growing multiple plants and veggies, the leafy pod is all about keeping your existing houseplants happy and thriving. This smart planter gives your greenery a voice, using an app to let you know exactly what it needs. Is your marble pothos thirsty? It'll ask for water. Getting too much sunlight? The app will recommend moving it. And if you're always overwatering, the leafy pod learns your plant's unique soil and hydration needs to create an ideal watering routine. The built-in water reservoir can hold up to 4 weeks of water, so even if you're on vacation, your plant will be just fine. At $140, it's perfect for plant parents who want to avoid ficus funerals altogether. The MCON MagSafe phone controller is here to prove that your phone isn't just for endless scrolling. It can be your ultimate gaming console too. This nifty gadget attaches magnetically to MagSafe-enabled phones or compatible cases and turns your smartphone into a portable gaming powerhouse. It's like having a Nintendo Switch in your pocket, without the extra baggage. At the push of a button, the controller flicks open like a high-tech switchblade, revealing smooth Hall effect joysticks and clicky buttons that feel as satisfying as popping bubble wrap. Whether you're reliving childhood memories on emulators or dominating AAA cloud games, MCON has you covered. Plus, it connects via Bluetooth or USB-C, so you don't have to deal with awkward cables or complicated setups. Fold it up, toss it in your pocket, and you're ready to game anywhere. And for those worried about exclusivity, it's not just for iPhones. It's got universal compatibility, meaning Android users can join the party too. The price starts at $99 on Kickstarter. The EcoFlow Power Hat's a unique gadget from CES that lets you charge your devices using built-in solar panels. With USB-A and USB-C ports, it can power up to 2 gadgets at once while you're out and about. It's also IP65 water and dust resistant, making it durable for outdoor adventures. It doesn't have a built-in battery, so you'll need to connect your device directly, but it can fully charge a 4,000 mAh phone in 3 to 4 hours. At $129, it's an interesting solution for staying charged on the go. Godox, known for its pro photography gear, just launched the MA5R, a magnetic power bank that doubles as a portable LED light for your phone. It snaps onto MagSafe iPhones or Qi 2 compatible devices and offers color-changing LEDs to enhance your photos and videos. You can control everything via the Godox app, adjust the color temperature from 1800K to 10,000K, or pick from 14 creative lighting effects. There's even a smaller selfie light on the front for perfect front-facing shots. The 5,000 mAh battery powers the LEDs for up to 7 hours at half brightness or 3.5 hours at full. Just note it's 13 millimeters thick, so you'll feel it on your phone, and wireless charging turns off when the lights are on. At $49, it's an easy way to upgrade your phone's lighting for better photos and videos. Omi is a wearable AI assistant with a rather odd design. It's a small puck stuck to your temple with medical tape. This device is designed to not only listen to your conversations, but also figure out whether you're talking to it or someone else. Its goal is to provide real-time feedback and answers, almost like having a personal advisor on call. In theory, it could one day read your thoughts and offer insights based on your conversations. Here's an example. Imagine you're sitting nearby as 2 people chat in a foreign language. Omni picks up the conversation, translates it for you, and even suggests a response to help you join in. Or if you're in the middle of a conversation and get stuck, it might nudge you with quick advice. For now, though, its functionality is limited to performing basic interactions through your phone. At $89, Omi is an intriguing concept for those curious about the future of AI assistants. But with its unusual design and limited capabilities, it feels more like a glimpse of what might come than a device ready for everyday use. Withings has introduced a concept device called Omnia, a mirror-like health scanner designed to provide a detailed overview of your body's wellness. Unveiled at CES, this product is still in development, but it aims to deliver a daily health check by combining its built-in sensors with data from other devices like smartwatches and sleep trackers. Omnia's interactive display creates a 3D model of your body, allowing you to track metrics such as ECG, muscle-to-fat ratio, body temperature variations, and even ketone trends. It also features AI-based suggestions to help users improve their fitness and well-being, and voice commands for quick access to health insights. The Liber Live C1 is being called the first-ever stringless smart guitar. But calling it a guitar might be stretching it. Think of it more like a simplified music tool that lets anyone jump into playing without years of practice or frustration. Here's how it works. On the neck, there are buttons labeled with chord names. Press 1, strum the paddle on the body, and voila, you're making music. No strings, no individual notes, no shredding. It's incredibly beginner-friendly, especially paired with the app where you can strum along with songs and even sing karaoke style. It's not a replacement for a traditional guitar, but rather a fun, portable way to engage with music. The C1 is lightweight, lasts 6 hours on a single charge, and comes with a price tag of $699. At CES, Chamelo Eyewear stood out for its simple yet practical take on smart glasses. Instead of overloading their products with cameras, AI, or flashy tech, Chamelo keeps things straightforward with one main feature: adjustable tint. With just the push of a button, you can change the tint or color of the lenses, making them ideal for everyday use. Whether you're out in the sun, transitioning indoors, or simply need more eye comfort, the brand showcased a range of products including standard sunglasses, athlete-friendly smart glasses, and their latest prescription option, Aura RX. They also revealed Music Shield, a version that adds built-in audio speakers to the glasses. What's cool about it? Only the wearer can hear the music, and when tested on the loud CES showroom floor, there was virtually no sound leakage.